Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can log into your ESPN in TV provider on your iOS devices. So TV provider is one of the option or the feature of iOS devices from Apple or iPhone. So from here, if your mobile device, so you have to do is download the ESPN app from your device's app store. Then open the ESPN app, then tap on settings icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then select TV provider, select your participating TV provider, enter your TV provider login credential and tap login. Or you can do is you can go to your iOS device settings, and there you can find some more settings, and in general you can find the general settings in your main settings. So from that general settings you can scroll down all the way down and scroll until you find TV provider, and if you click on that, then you can find the ESPN. If the toggle button is turned off, make sure that you toggle it on and you can turn on the ESPN TV and give the permission to play as a TV provider on your iOS device. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.